Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this little bit of video is about align and distribute, and this particular one is like on a name badge. In the old days, before I knew it did this, I would click on my item and that's my center. That dot right there, that square node is my center. Well, I would bring my indexing line over and click on it and then click. I got it right that time, but sometimes when I was off, I would go, well, I need to move it over. And that's really old school and time consuming. So here's one way to align that indexing line with the center. Grab it near your outside line and just pull it over, and you'll see it clicks on it. It has a triangle that says midpoint. So that's your midpoint of your name badge right there. Then when you go to this is right in the middle. Now, if you have under view, if you have snap to guidelines, that's going to snap to it anyway. So that's one way, but let's get this out of the way. And we're going to use the letters E and C on the keyboard. I've got that selected. I'm going to select the outside name badge, and I'm going to hit the letter E and C. It puts it right there. Now, the reason that would be important, or not so important, but when you're doing the name, you want all the names on this plane right here. So we've made a duplicate and it's right there, but we're going to go to change the name now because they have different names, and we're going to make this one, and just to make it easier, we're just going to make him the third and hit enter. Look what happens. Now we're in the same plane, and in this because I have center justified on. Let's back up here and let's take off center justified. Left justified is probably your default. Let's take that name and go to text editor and make him the third and hit enter. Now look what happens. His name isn't equal. Whoop. His name isn't equal in the name tag anymore because the name is longer. As you can see right there, the crosshair is right there. So instead of having to move that over, have center justified selected, and then you could make that name whatever you wanted. We'll just type in another name, make it really long. Can't talk and type. It's still in the center, no matter how long the name is. So that's 3 different ways to use your indexing lines and use align and distribute. It's cool. Everybody needs to learn that. It'll help you a lot when you're doing name badges or anything where you have to keep changing the text. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.